What's up, my horse lovers? It's the Horse Reactor here, and I am back for another reaction. And this time we are returning to Chromie Forever. Now, 2 years ago, not 2 years ago, 2 videos ago, I explained why the video of Songbird was taken down. I'm not gonna explain it. So if you guys want to see that, then go right ahead. And the video will explain everything, because I did a few pop-ups that describe what YouTube and CSAC were doing. And by the way, the video was called Time of Your Life Songbird. And guess what? Video's back. So, doing the reaction to it while I can now. I was just checking out in my spare time, and all of a sudden, it came back up, and I'm like, hopefully this stays now. And even if it doesn't, you got my reaction to it. And also, they also did with the same thing with mine when I used Wake Me Up When September Ends and Seattle Slew. But that video's back too. So anyways, this video is about 2 minutes and 35 seconds long. Well, it's as long as the song is. So let's just get right into it. In 3, 2, 1, play. Sorry, my iPad keeps doing this to me. It keeps freezing. There we go.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind.
Here's another close-up
hanging on a shelf in good health and good time.
Why is it black and white?
Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
I guess. Another close-up. For the summertime ups, okay.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
I don't know what race this is. I think that's the City, Alabama.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
Happy retirement, Songbird. Well, she's been retired now. Alright. So that was Time of Your Life Songbird. I'm glad I finally got to do this reaction. I did it when I was HRL Horse Racing League, but I didn't do it like how I do videos now. Because I used to put in like a split screen, because I didn't know how to do a proper reaction. Like when you see my face and then when you see the video. But luckily I know how to do it now, so I don't have to do a split screen anymore. So, anyways, good video, and I'm glad it's back, and hopefully it stays up like this, so hopefully nothing gets copyrighted like that again. Because I don't know if it was going to be, like, copyrighted permanently or not, and luckily it wasn't. So, anyways, that's going to be it for this reaction, so please leave a like down below. Most importantly, copy the name of the video I reacted to and search it up in the search bar so you guys can see the video for yourself without having me talk over it. And click over here to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.